the Court observes that the issue of determining the baseline for the purpose of measuring the breadth of the continental shelf and the exclusive economic zone, and the issue of identifying base points for drawing an equidistance median line for the purpose of delimiting the continental shelf and the exclusive economic zone between adjacent opposite states are two different issues. In the first case, the coastal state, in conformity with the provisions of UNCLOS, Articles 7, 9, 10, 12, and 15, may determine the relevant base points. It is nevertheless an exercise which has always an international aspect. In the second case, the delimitation of the maritime areas involving two or more states, the Court should not base itself solely on the choice of base points made by one of those parties. The Court must, when delimiting the continental shelf and exclusive economic zones, select base points by reference to the physical geography of the relevant coasts.